Can someone manifest you? Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down if someone can manifest you. But first, if you would like to get one-on-one coaching with me to help you manifest anything you desire, you can sign up for coaching below. I also offer online courses that are very accessible that you can get instant access to by also clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. Can someone manifest you? Now, this video stems from a client of mine that was worried. So when she came to me, she was worried that her SP was manifesting their breakup because her SP had relayed to her all the reasons why they're not compatible and why he doesn't want to be with her. And she was manifesting the version of her SP that loves her and that does want to be in a committed relationship with her. But from her point of view, she was like, if I'm affirming my SP loves me and wants to be in a committed relationship with me, but my SP is affirming that we're not compatible and these are all the reasons why we're not compatible and why we shouldn't be together, then who wins? Can my SP manifest me going away from their life? Here's the thing about that. Your SP does not have free will in your reality. You are the one dictating, curating, and deciding the version of your SP that you experience in your 3D reality through your assumptions. The only way that your SP would be able to manifest you going away from their life or buzzing out of their reality is if that is your assumption. If you assume that your SP is manifesting you out of their reality, then that is what you will manifest. But it's not because the ultimate truth is that they are manifesting for you. It's that this is your assumption about your SP, your assumption that says, my SP is manifesting me out of their reality. So again, you are always the one doing it through your assumptions, through the story that you are telling. Nobody can manifest for you. It's your thoughts about that person that is doing the manifesting. So if you have thoughts that say, my SP is manifesting me out of their reality, then that is what you will manifest. Now, equally, if you instead begin to entertain the thoughts, my SP loves me, my SP adores me, we're in a happy, committed relationship, then this is a version of your SP that you will manifest in your reality as long as you saturate your subconscious mind with this new story so that it becomes dominant within you. So my message here is you are always in control of the version of your SP that you experience in your 3D reality through your assumptions. No one can manifest for you unless you have an assumption that says they can. And in this sense, you can actually use this to your advantage. So instead of telling the story, my SP is manifesting me out of their experience, you could tell the story, my SP is manifesting us to be back together. My SP is manifesting me back because they are madly and deeply in love with me. This could be a story that you begin to tell that is favorable, that will allow you to manifest the version of your specific person that you desire. So nobody can manifest you. It's your thoughts about that person that really dictates whether they can or not. It's your assumption. If you assume that somebody is manifesting you back, or if you assume that somebody is manifesting you out of your reality, then that is exactly what you will manifest. You're the one doing it all through the stories that you are telling, through the thoughts that you are thinking. Your affirmations, which are just a thought that you are thinking, every time you're thinking a thought, you are affirming. Your dominant affirmations dictate the version of your SP that you're experiencing in your 3D reality. Your subconscious mind always has to produce proof of the dominant story that you're telling. It always has to produce proof of your assumptions. You are in control of everything. So going back to my client's question about, well, if I'm affirming that me and my SP are back together, but my SP is affirming that we are not back together, who wins? You will always win, because nobody has free will in your reality. You are God of your reality. You are the operant power of your reality. So as long as you keep persisting in your new story that aligns with the version of your specific person that you desire, your 3D reality will have to shift and will have to show you proof of this when it becomes a dominant story within you. Your subconscious mind will always produce proof of the dominant story you are telling. Now, sometimes people will say, but Priya, I didn't have negative thoughts about my SP. I didn't have the thought that, oh, they're going to break up with me. So why is it that they did break up with me? So if you didn't have specific negative thoughts about your SP, but your SP still broke up with you, then this means that you're somebody who has a very low self-concept, meaning the way that you see yourself in general when it comes to love and relationships is unfavorable. So maybe you have stories that say, I'm not lovable, I'm not worthy of love, I suck at love and relationships, I'm never prioritized, I'm never chosen. So if this is your general self-concept, then your SP has to reflect this back to you. So the version of your SP that you're experiencing in your 3D reality that is unfavorable is always because of one of these two things. Either you have a very low self-concept, or you have negative stories specifically to do with your SP. One of these two things is always dictating the version of your specific person that you experience in your 3D reality. When you fix your self-concept so that you have a really high self-concept where you know your value and your worth, and when you fix your stories around your specific person so that you have favorable stories about how your specific person treats you, what they feel about you and how they think about you, this is when you will manifest the version of your SP that you desire. So, can somebody manifest you? No, they can't unless you assume they can, because your assumptions is always what is manifesting. So if you assume your SP is manifesting you out of their reality, then that's what you will manifest. That is what you will experience. Equally, if you assume that your SP is manifesting you, that they want to get back with you and that this is what they are manifesting, then this is what you will experience. This is what you will manifest in your reality. You are always deciding. You are doing it all. Nobody has free will in your reality. It's your stories about them that manifest, or your self-concept, meaning the way that you see yourself in general when it comes to love and relationships will also dictate how your specific person treats you. That's really it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.